doesn't move.
See, I put some mud underneath of it. Now it doesn't move like that.
Now, I made a mistake and I didn't
Bring the proper sifter with me.
Whoops.
I made another mistake.
What mistake is that?
I didn't build this so it could keep standing.
Built it last time and it stayed that way.
Yeah, until the possum tore it apart. That was that big one, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It was that one they took like 3 shots to kill. Yeah, your underwear's showing.
Oh, shut up.
What? Sorry.
Let's keep going. I don't know about the same stuff.
Alright.
See how it's steady?
You
trying to get that?
Mhm.
No matter where you touch it back here, it doesn't rock.
Excuse me. Move the leaves so it looks more natural.
Don't put so many leaves on it, that's the end of the left.
Make it look like it's natural. That way the animal doesn't get afraid and run away.